In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Pepperstone account. Think of this as locating two key pieces of information, your trading account number and your login to the secure client area. Once you know where those live, everything else becomes straightforward. The fastest place to start is your email inbox. When you first opened your account, you should have received a welcome message from the broker. Use your email search bar and try simple keywords like Pepperstone, trading account, welcome, or account details. That welcome email typically includes your trading account number, which is usually 6 to 7 digits, the server name you'll use if you're on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and basic login instructions. If you don't see it right away, check spam or promotions folders, and then move the email to your main inbox and star it so it's easy to find next time. Keep in mind, your account number is a unique identifier for trading. Treat it carefully and avoid sharing it publicly. If you don't have the email at hand, the next best stop is the secure client area on the website. Head to the official site, choose the login or secure client area option, and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for a section labeled Accounts or My Accounts. There you'll see a list of all the accounts linked to you, including both live and demo accounts. You can view your trading account numbers at a glance, confirm which ones are active, and note the platform and server associated with each. If you tend to switch devices, this area is a reliable source of truth, so it's worth bookmarking for quick access later. Already using a trading platform? Then checking directly inside the app can be the most direct route. On MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, open the app and go to the Navigator panel, then Accounts. You'll see your account number displayed there. On cTrader, open the menu in the top left, choose Accounts, and your account number will be visible on that screen. This approach is especially handy if you're already logged in trading because you can confirm the exact account you're using without leaving the platform. Here's an important clarification to wrap up. Your Pepperstone account isn't just one thing. Your email and password get you into the secure client area, where you manage everything. Your trading account number is the ID you connect to in MT4, MT5, or cTrader. And the client area is the dashboard that shows and manages all of your live and demo accounts in one place. Keep these distinct pieces organized, and you'll always know exactly where to find what you need.